is a video for you to learn about how to connect the power supply control to the NO electric strike lock and this outer station. This is NO, and we have to connect the lock to the power supply control COM and NO. COM and NO terminal of the power supply control. Yeah. And push and ground terminal is to connect to the outer station. The ground, especially the ground, is connected to the COM of the outer station. I'm gonna track it right here. NC, COM, and NO and COM to the power supply control. COM terminal to the ground. Push to the NO. Okay, now that's it. And this is power supply. Is these two wires to connect to your home power. Now let's connect the outer station and the indoor monitor together with this extension cable, 1 meter long, to the indoor monitor. Also this right here to the indoor monitor. Door 1, door 2 is to connect with the outer station, and you have to power in the indoor monitor. Okay, now that's it. Let's try to ring the doorbell.
The door is open. Please come in. The door is open. Please come in.
Okay. Also, you use the tags, RFID tags, or the fingerprint to release the door lock. How to add the tags or the fingerprint to the system? Now follow my steps. Here you can find this set button right here. You can use the set button to program the adding the card RFID tags or your fingerprint. Okay, or short press on the outer station, and you can swipe every card to the outer station. Okay, we just add this one. Also fingerprint. A short press. It is already finished. Alright, that's it.